students, this for grade 10 mathematics exercise 1.2 fourth sum. Represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, graph and set in a roster form. Wherever possible, x comma y, and y is the function x plus 3. This is the equation x comma y, or natural numbers less than 10. So we have to select from 1 onwards. Natural number, it has been started from 1. So 1 up to less than 10. So we have to select up to 9. So given equation is y is equal to x plus 3. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, substitute the 1 value in this equation. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And substitute x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. X is equal to 4. And y is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 5. And y is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 6. And y is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So both the values are less than 10. It is being natural numbers. So both the values less than 10 means y value we got up to 9. So we can stop up to here. Now you can write relation r is equal to x value and y value 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4, and the second value is 2 comma 5, and third value is 3 comma 6, and fourth value is 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8, and the last value is 6 comma 9. Next option is an arrow diagram. We have to show the relation in an arrow diagram. So the first value is 1 comma 4. So we have to connect 1 and 4 to show in the arrow diagram. What is the next value? 2 and 5. So 2 and 5. We have to connect with 2 and 5. The third value is 3 and 6. So 3 and 6. Fourth value is 4 and 7. So we have to connect with this. Next value is 5 and 8. And the last value is 6 and 9. So we have to show this in the arrow diagram. It is the relation. So the first set is A, or we can show it as X, and the second value is Y. So we have to show the relation in an arrow diagram. Next option is we have to show this one in a graph. So the first value is 1 and 4, 1 comma 4, and the second value is 2 comma 5, and the third value is 3 comma 6, and the fourth value is 4 comma 7. Fifth value is 5 comma 8, and the last value is 6 comma 9. So we have to write this one again in the roster form. So 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, and 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8, again 6 comma 9. Now last sum in this exercise, fifth sum. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants. So denoted letter is capital A, clerks, denoted letter is capital C, and managers capital M, and an executive officer capital E. The company provide rupees 10,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 5,000, and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories. So A, C, M and E are respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers, and E1, E2 were executive officers. And if the relation R is defined by X capital or Y, where X is the salary to the person Y, Express the relation or through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. So a company details it has been given. That is the salaries for assistants, clerks, managers and executive officers. We have to show this in the ordered pair. So how we can write? First one is assistants. Pass and play. So show it in a ordered pair. Assistant, comma, A1. That is the first value in ordered pair. And assistants, comma, A2. Assistant, comma, A3. Assistant, comma, A4. Assistant, comma, A5. So the next one is clerks. So C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerk. So clerk, C1, clerk, C2, clerk, comma, C3, clerk, comma, C4. And the next one is 50,000 salary. This is 50,000 salary for managers. So managers, M1, manager M2, manager M3, and the last one is executive officer E1 and E2. So the last one, executive officer E1 and executive officer E2. So show it in an order pair. Next one we have to show this one in an arrow diagram. X relation or for 10,000 assistant 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So up to A5. So rupees 10,000 for A1, for A2, for A3, for A4 and for A5. Next 25,000 for clerks C1, C2, C3 and C4. C1, C2, C3 and C4. Next 50,000 salary for managers M1, M2, M3. So you have to connect like this by joining in an arrow diagram. Next one, 1 lakh salary for executive officers E1 and E2. So we have to connect like this. Up to this it has been finished, and this week we will have self-assessment for you children. So exercise 1.2 and 1.1 it has been finished. Thank you children.